Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and I've got another project for you today. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free sewing and crafting patterns and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. Now let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you will need 2 pieces of denim, each measuring 8 inches by 8 inches. You can use purchased denim if you'd like. I'm using denim from an old pair of jeans. To get this size, I had to cut into the pocket as well, so I'm going to have the back side of this pot holder with this little jean pocket on here. I'm okay with that. You need a piece of cotton batting, measuring 8 inches by 8 inches. You need a piece of Insulbrite, measuring 8 inches by 8 inches. It has some insulating properties. You can see there's a foily look to it. You need a piece of cotton fabric for the heart. That measures 6 inches by 6 inches. You'll need a 2-inch by 8-inch piece of cotton fabric for the loop. You'll need a heart template and some pinking shears. You'll want to make sure the sewing machine needles you're using are denim or heavyweight needles. You can find these exact measurements, the supply list, and the heart template on debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description right below this video. We need to first work with our strip of fabric. Fold it in half lengthwise, and then we need to press that. You can finger press it or use your iron, and then open it up. We're going to use that crease that we made as our midpoint, and we're going to fold the edge in to meet that crease. We'll do the same with the other side. And then we're going to press that. Now we're going to fold it over onto itself and press it one more time. This is going to be our loop. We're going to top stitch this right along the edge of one side and right along the edge of the other side. Do about a scant 1/8 of an inch. And then we need to put our pot holder together. So place one of your pieces of denim right side facing down. Put your Insulbrite piece on top. I'm putting the foily side facing down. And then put your cotton batting on top of that. And on top of that, one more piece of denim with the right side facing up. Make sure everything's aligned, and then go ahead and either pin it together, clip it, use some basting spray, because we're going to sew all the way around the pot holder. We're going to go in about 1/2 inch from the edge. Because we're working with such thick material, go ahead and flip it over and make sure it's all straightened up on the back too. You'd be surprised how any clips or pins make things buckle a little bit when we're talking about thick material. Leave a spot at the top open. We need to put that loop in there in a little bit. I'm going to take my pinking shears and I'm going to cut between the stitching line and the edge all the way around. And then it's time for our loop. Go ahead and fold your loop in half, but then flip that bottom piece around. See how I did that? Now go ahead and stitch it closed. And now it's time to work on our heart. So what I've done in the past is I've cut out the different sizes of hearts and decided which one I like best. You might want to do that because you might find you want a heart larger than the one I have, or you might want your heart smaller than the one I have. This one seems a little big for me, so I'm going to try the next size. That's the benefit of having these templates with all different sizes. You can choose what you like the best. I think that size works best for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get that cut out. Then I'm going to center it on my pot holder. I like using a glue stick to hold stuff down. If you prefer to pin it, go ahead and do that. This glue stick just gets a little temporary hold for me that I like. Make sure it's centered. And then we're going to take it to the machine and we're going to zigzag all the way around the heart to secure it down. One thing to know about denim, you need to go slow and be very careful. You have all these thicknesses going on. Got mine done? If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stop by the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free patterns, supply lists, and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. See you next time with another project.